Hello ladies and gents, boys and girls, welcome to yet another exciting, amazing, appetizing episode of Lokshin Bites. Lasithi khona zaqophoka eLokshini ngaseThunjini igama nguSinenene, but of course ngoba wena uyi-VIP esemhlabeni, then you get to call me u-Auntie Wama 2000. So basically Lokshin Bites is a kasi food show where we go around hopping kasi to kasi, luggage to luggage. Sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ubite wangakini ume kanjani. Speaking of which, namhlanje sila Madadeni Section 2 at Jabu'S grill. Mhlawumbe wena uyazi ukuthi i-Jabu'S grill. Sizoza khona ukuthi i-bite yala kuleli lokishi zithini izikhipha boma awards. Of course ngimuhle njengenjwayelo ngiswenkile ngigqoke i-Rapture Customs. Mangabe nawe ufuna be-customizele i-sweater, ufuna be-customizele amateku, ufuna be-customizele i-jean, then i-Rapture Customs is your guy to go to. Follow them on Facebook to find out more. While usafollowisha i-Rapture, wena ke followisha mina njengamanje singena ngaphakathi sibona ukuthi uJabu uthini ngendawo yakhe i-Jabu'S grill. Welcome to Lokshin Bites. Sizaqophoka eLokshini ngaseThunjini. Join me, follow me, sizodla manje. Lokshin Bites, and of course as you can see ngihamba no Jabulani okuyena i-owner la ekhaya e-Jabu'S grill. Ngazingahlonipha ke nje kubizwa ngoJabulani. Now umuntu azobheka igama lakho, right?
Yeah.
Saphila. Thank you so much for joining us on the show and welcome to another episode of Lokshin Bites. Alright, so please tell us about your place. When did you start operating uvuleni la?
2 weeks now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, 2 weeks endaweni, but you've been selling food.
I've been selling food since last year. What's the kind of lockdown? March last year, yeah.
Oh, alright. So now I'm going to put in kumena la ngaphandle custom. Ushilo vele ukuthi ukwazi since way back angazi usadayisela endlini angazi ama lights.
Yebo.
Oh, so uqale 2 weeks back ukuba
la
containing.
Yeah.
How is it so far? Support abantu?
Kuza kahle.
Okay. Ukumen road ku busy hlale kudlula yabo kwayi manje nje lo mgwaqo uyayiphithizelela.
Akubuzi.
Yeah, so how do you handle the pressure? Une staff esingakanani ekitchen esihandle isizayo?
4 ngam.
Oh, 4 ngam.
Yeah.
All right. So now, in terms of ama trading hours, how do you operate Vulanini from Vulanini? Which days of the week and what times are you operating?
Similar from Monday to Monday, from 9 to 7. So yabazi abantu.
Yeah, ngicela ngo-10.
Sivala ngo-10.
Eish, and la Madadeni ziningi indawo evala late mountains the problem ukuthi ngo-4 nje if awukakathengi usuzodla amasi.
Kodwa phela vs mawuza ngeke uvale ngo-10. Amaphara.
Engasenza because I'm sky nazi nasimela siningi
Mina ngashisa iplaza ngeke
It's fine. So Sunday is still operating hours are fun and during the week.
Our fun.
Uvala ni Sunday.
Sunday ngivala ngo-4. Bafika wena sengizovala manje kodwa makhamba wena.
Oh, phela mina ngithi special case.
Yeah.
All right. So now you are an entrepreneur, but of course there's challenges in running a business, especially ngoba ususuke from ukudayisela endlini to having establishment ekanjena. What are some of the challenges obhekana nawo wena in your line of work, and also lawo kulama challenges mhlawumbe yiphi lesson ongathi abanye abantu who are still trying to get into the food business should learn from those challenges? Mhlawumbe ama mistakes osuwenzile in the past abangafunda through you.
Mistake engayenza ukuthi ngingene ebhizinisini ngingaka-secure ama suppliers and stuff. Kubalulekile ukuthi before ungene ebhizinisini ube nama-supply like wazi ukuthi ke izinto zakho uzithola isikhathi because uyaqhuzuka kakhulu.
Okay, so now abantu abasha ke okunye yini ongaba like advisor ngabo if they want to start businesses, whether it's a food business or any kind of business, what kind of advice would you give to umuntu ofuna ukuba entrepreneur and ungasifihlele ukuthi kunzima ka entrepreneurship? Siyafuna ukuzwa lokho zonke umuntu uthi no, go out there, start a business, be great, but it's difficult. So what advice? Ane?
I'm so confused sometimes.
It's stress.
Honest.
Now Facebook, Septola, Instagram, social media?
Yeah, now Facebook, Jabu'S page.
Okay, Instagram, Twitter, nothing, just Facebook?
Not yet.
Or not yet, says siyakwazi order and collect?
Injalo.
Deliveries?
Injalo.
Mountain yafika?
It's mouse. Yeah, it's mouse khona ngiyafuna ukufika kodwa manje Ufike kade kwapholi.
Indawo yangakithi khona wathi uma ufika
eSmiles.
Yakukude. But banizame nasafuna ukudla.
Susana mahams.
Okay, government ulaleli uyabuka la government. Sicela kusuka ama speed humps ukudla kwethu kufika after a very long time. Yeah. Hunger is forever, man. Ama speed humps temporary.
No, but sizobona sizolenza iplan naseSmiles.
Ane, but in town to deliver or it's just local la.
Nasetown siyafika.
How much is delivery to town?
60 rands.
Lana
30 rands, section 7. Okay, section 1 up until section 6, 30 rands.
Okay.
Section goes it within SMiles are 40 rands.
My hometown, my home village, my home tonton is busy catching strays and asazi usezeni when uyazonda, but it's fine. So do you have any special shout out ongathanda ukwenza ebantwini?
Yes, my mama.
Mama, my dad, everybody who knows me. Yeah, we main support system yakho le. How about friends, customers, maybe investors, business partners?
I'm not a business partner. Okay, I'm an investor now. Okay. So you can do this from scratch.
We was on Ulinyora.
We did it from scratch.
The roasted proof of the concrete. So that's the only people who super shout out. Of course.
It's possible. Yeah. I'm a customer.
All right.
So
actually, I wanted to ask, can you do more celebrations like about snare 10, 24, faggy sessions or shy party like birthday? Don't. Can you do that?
Yeah, I think it's not on this stage.
Oh, it's never been done before. All right. So, we're getting the idea in the commission. Okay, we are delivering. We are figure. Nan. But now on your menu, you've got samakota, right? You've got chicken. What else do you have on the menu?
Chicken wrap.
All right. So which one, like, do you have an item an item that takes like a bit more time? Chicken wrap.
Yeah.
Takes time. All right. So kitchen, hopefully you're gonna find out what the chicken wrap cater because that's what decided. I'm here for the famous quarter, but it's fine. I'll decide in the kitchen. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alright, so ngaphakathi kade disa iSmiles alobhuti, so it's fine. Sengiphatheke kabi. Inhliziyo yami ngizoyithoba ngalokudla osofisa ukufitela ekitchen. So please do follow us as you go into the kitchen. Do not forget, this is the Lokshin Bites. La sithi khona zaqopoka eLokshini ngaseThunjini. Lokshin Biters, I've got a Lokshin Biter right here. Kimba gang, what's up? How you do? Oh, I was no cool musut. Okay, you didn't tell us your name. What's your name? I'll know your name, Minag, but for others, Abanga Wazi, Singolingo. So, what kind of quarter were you having today? In
the bacon, the Russian, the cardam, the garlic fat.
So
Go.
Eventually,
Let's toast you.
35. You clearly enjoyed the quarter.
Yeah.
What do I say? I'm for Wukimba quarter. Into quarter in one sitting.
I've never in my whole life.
I am saying it's an salad.
Yeah, and I'm still very much. But it's gay. You're like fix my appetite.
Oh, okay. So now, besides the delicious quarter, what do you think Linda they could improve in terms of the service, in terms of the food, or were you entirely happy with everything?
Yeah, I'm usually a very complaining person.
Yeah.
So I didn't have anything to say.
Oh, really?
I always have something to say, but you're right. See, it's clean, it's safe,
ane
isendaweni right
iyalandela nama COVID protocols regulations
like a mask no mask no entry.
So what would you say to umuntu ongakazenzela before?
Isizo zami kodwa ehlile
yeah
oboga na nekalikota but ke ngisho isikili ingredient
yeah second ingredient the garlic butter
yeah I'm happy I came.
Okay.
I'm not really a fan of it but then
that was the first time coming here.
Yeah.
Oh, but obviously
oh please you know that I'm not well I'm joining the team yabo because this yamana is life issues now.
Alright, this is how we come to the end of this episode of Lokshin. Bites ngakota silana Jabu'S Madadeni Section 2. Kanti ke bese find out ukuthi Lokshin Bites yini ibites yala kule lokishi zikhipha boma awards and you can see I'm a happy girl ngisuthi. Mangabe nawe uyathanda sikuvakashela endaweni yakho nomndawo yangakini sacela usibhalele on the email down below. Kulula kakhulu, just write to us. Sina sifika qathatha nethimba sizosutha. Kulula ke, all you have to make sure of kuma requirements. Please do make sure ukuthi your business is still upcoming and local. It must be in the kasi. If you're in the suburbs, in the towns, then I'm so sorry but you're not coming. Mangabe sekasi ke yenza sure ukuthi wonke ama social media followers akho per platform are less than 2,000, either my followers or my subscribers. Then send us a picture of your establishment yakho nawe sizofika thina neteam sizosutha. Okwamanje ke asambenza digest bekumnandi kakhulu sona neJabu'S Grill. Hoping now you enjoy the episode. Thank you so much for being a part of it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe to this awesome channel. Till we meet again next week, same time, definitely different place. Sivala kanjalo ke la eJabu'S Grill. Okwamanje ke sithi ke siyithimba under 2,000 and game over visuals. It's game over for today.